New item.
There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
What's up, guys? We're trying to do some more food blogging from the car. Try it fresh in the car. Rate it. Thank you. So rather than trying, we're not gonna stop trying the local places much. We're trying to get our hands on some special edition or like seasonal items and stuff like that.
And we are currently at Wendy's. Wendy's line is thick. It's thicker than their Frosties. And they have a new Frosty today.
I didn't necessarily have a bad customer experience, but geez, that line was, I don't know what, there was an order that must have backed up the line or something.
You think they're giving away something?
So let you guys know what we did. So we got the Ghost Pepper Ranch chicken sandwich.
But
We've had it before, but we're gonna rate it now.
But you chose spicy?
Yes.
Last time you chose spicy?
I don't remember.
I don't know. I didn't know that they had an option.
So yeah, they have the chicken, and you can get the regular chicken patty that they make, or you can get the spicy chicken patty, which they add the ghost pepper sauce to.
Yeah, so that's really what it is. It's not like the meat it's their same chicken that they use on their classic.
Yeah, it's sustainable.
But it's the sauce and the cheese that's like, alright?
Adds a little kick to it.
Like I said, we've had this before, and we've had it last year as well. I don't know if you remember, but we had it last year, and I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And it was like, we only had it the one time. So I'm glad that we're getting the chance to eat it twice this time. So we're going to show you.
And then we also got the ghost pepper fries we're going to try out. We got Kellan some regular fries. He's not about that life yet. And then apparently Lisa already knew about this, or she just was quicker to see. But they have a new
limited edition strawberry Frosty.
I don't think I've ever had any other Frosty other than a chocolate Frosty from
They don't give you no Frosty? Or are you just really supposed to just swoop it up?
I don't know. I don't know how I'm expected to eat it.
Alright.
I know there's people that like do all kind of weird things, dip
it and
fries in a Frosty and all kind of things.
I had like fries in my mouth, but I don't necessarily dip it, you know?
I've had a weird relationship with Wendy's fries. Over
I like
years,
Wendy's fries when they're fresh.
Yeah, I've gone from, these are the worst fries to them surpassing like Burger King.
Let's try the Frosty.
Yeah. I actually smell the strawberry in this.
So, as a kid, I used to love like Nesquik strawberry milk. And I was like, yo, if I could make an ice cream out of this, I'd be happy.
That is the biggest compliment that this can be given.
Yeah, because he knows how much I love Nesquik. This is so good. You could smell the strawberries.
Yeah, it is a Nesquik like flavor strawberry. It's not like a real fruit strawberry.
Okay, if you ever had I don't know if they still do this, but like McDonald's milkshake used to have like chunks of strawberry. I don't like things like that. Give me flavor, don't give me no chunk of like I'm eating yogurt with
My review will be much quicker than that. It might just be that the chocolate has been around for so long. For me, better than the chocolate.
Yeah. And then even now I was like, why don't they have like vanilla and do they have vanilla now? I think at some point they had.
I'm actually going to try this nonsense.
You've never done this ever?
Never in my life. Why were you doing this, Lisa?
It's a thing. It's like how people surprised, like, oh my God.
Did you get some kind of munchies from something?
No.
While you were trying this?
No. This is a thing, like people do this.
I know, but alright, let me do it one more time.
You have to do it one more time? But the strawberry is good.
It's good, but it's not, I don't know, like I don't get it. Like what are people losing their mind over? No, you can't dip that in there.
You can put it in your mouth and then put it. This is the ghost pepper one. It has, you can smell like
however they're
pepper.
doing ghost pepper, they're doing the sauces really well.
Okay, so we've had this before. The fries, I think in my opinion, are hotter than the sandwich. But I'm gonna try the sandwich again this week. But this is spicy.
Yeah.
This
For
is
us
like,
Caribbeans, that's normally like, you know, when they're like, ghost pepper,
Yeah.
everybody in America going on crazy.
alright. So in my mouth.
I feel like this is gonna be like cheating though, because this is just gonna calm down all the ghost pepper.
Yeah. What do you want? This or the fries first? That first? Cools down the heat, I guess.
So I've been with Lisa long enough to don't remember what it's like to try to get her first kiss from Lisa. But let me tell you something. Lisa must have been one of the most annoying girls to try to get her first kiss from. You saw Lisa just a while ago? She go for give me the something. I open my mouth already and then she's like, wait.
No, because I wanted.
What?
Yo. Rude. Alright, let's get into the sandwich. I'm super hungry, so I'm ready for this. Alright, this is the ghost pepper
So
ranch sandwich. I don't remember if it had ranch last year, but
Yeah.
but that's what it was called. Alright, so you see you have lettuce, you have the spicy chicken, and you have these like fried onions, and then the cheese with this sauce here. So I don't remember having the spicy chicken last time.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You ordered last time, so we'll see.
So after this bite, we're gonna rate everything.
Okay. Cheers. I just spit out something that was kind of spicy. Going for the second bite.
You have to know the quality of food that you're buying. You have to know what Wendy's is about, right?
Yeah.
But for Wendy's, this is good.
This is excellent. Yeah.
It's a good bun. None of the elements seem like they're just added in there to waste space. The little crispy onion thing does help the sandwich. The choice of cheese is a nice balance, so it's not just like ghost pepper, and just beating you over the head. The spicy sandwich, there's a little spice to it, but it's not one of those like. So I am not like a pepper connoisseur, but a lot of things that people think are like too hot, I will eat them
hot.
and I'm like, yeah, whatever.
You like hot.
But some things like I feel like Middle Eastern hot sometimes can just be hot and just burn you, and there's nothing to it.
He likes hot. There's this place,
But what flavor to it? Yeah.
Desi's Kitchen in Myanmar. They had a chana masala that we all loved. Dan couldn't manage it because it was just like spice, like a heavy spice. You only be able to eat a little.
Because I want the pepper to have a flavor to it. I just don't want it to just have the whatever them call it, the skulls, and just have the hot to be hot.
So I took off some so you can see. There is like a pepper sauce.
The night we got it though, them did drown it.
No, it's still drawn like that. That's the one at the bottom.
No, there was enough to like dip stuff in it, remember?
Oh yeah, because what do we do? Yeah, I'm telling you, the fries.
Get the ghost pepper fries and slap it in the sandwich.
Didn't I see this one pass already?
Literally. We just had an NPC moment.
It's NBC. With a glitch from the Matrix.
Non-playable character moment, yeah. That glitch. This woman got out of this car. And it's not like, oh, you're mixing her up with somebody.
No.
It's a pregnant woman in a tracksuit.
She's petite, red jumpsuit.
So what? Get away there.
Yeah. We didn't see her come back.
Did not see her come back.
But then she did the same thing.
I'm sure her walk past again.
Yeah.
If that was a glitch in the Matrix, please make it be like a sponsorship or something. Time for the YouTube to pop off. And you can help that happen by hitting subscribe and those things. Rating time.
Oh, okay.
I'm like halfway through the sandwich.
Yeah. The sandwich for me, again, fast food place.
Yeah.
For fast food nowadays, like I look at prices of food and I'm like, when I was in college, I used to spend blah 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 for a combo. So it's like roughly like $11-12 for the combos, but it is affordable. I guess if you needed a meal. The sandwich, I'm gonna give it a 9.2 out of 10.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna give it a 8.9 out of 10.
Okay.
The fries, I'm gonna give like a 9.4. If you, in my opinion, if you were like, I can't afford maybe the whole thing, you can maybe get like one of like the small chicken sandwiches, maybe.
Yeah.
Like the value chicken sandwiches, they still have it, and then put the fries on it. Because for me, the flavor and the heat is the like, you can't lose with that on the fries. So I would stack that. Buy the mini, or I don't know what they call them, the value chicken. Stack some of those fries on there, and you'll be happy.
So, I agree with Lisa with the fries. For Wendy's level, like Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King level fast food, the ghost pepper fries. Sorry.
Oh, you're tossing it? You can't handle the heat?
Little spirits. Little bit of the spirits.
Like what's it? Dumping them, come and catch in your throat.
Yeah. The Dumpy pepper ketchup get away a while ago. Yeah. I'm going to be a little harsher on the sandwich and say it's a 7, but I mean I'm enjoying it. I just think the fries kind of sets a really high standard for how good that is.
Yeah.
Sandwich is like a 7.5, but it's something that I would purchase again. It's just
Would you just stick with the spicy chicken then? You're like, is it that like?
No, the crunchy thing in it, that's good. I could see where to somebody this could be too much. Like if you wanted like a nice like hot and cold, you could maybe, if the grilled chicken wrap is good, like do the wrap and the fries. Okay. But there's no scenario where I don't see getting the ghost pepper fries if they have it. There's substitutions for this, and that's why I'm saying 7.5. But the fries, I say 9.4. It's up there. It's like if they have it ghost pepper, it's like I'm getting the ghost pepper fries and something else. Yeah. So like Lisa was just giving you that hack, I would have gotten the nuggets and then shook them up in the fries because there's enough like thing there for that. That's my little hack move. The strawberry, like I said, I think it's better than the chocolate. That I'm gonna rate really high too. I'm gonna say 8.5 on that.
8.7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not even fighting those extra 0.2 points. Yeah.
That's quick. Yeah.
Really good.
Really good. I actually am surprised that you gave the sandwich so low, but it is that like I don't need the sandwich, but the fries, if it's a seasonal item, guys, you gotta get it now. I would love to come back for it. Yeah. And that would be kind of cool. Get like 2 of the value nuggets, pour it in there, shake it up.
Yeah.
Ooh, that might be,
There's nothing I don't think the fries wouldn't slap with though. Like if you're like, yo, I want a burger, I'd get the ghost pepper fries. You want a wrap, I'd get the ghost pepper fries. You want the Frosty, ghost pepper fries. Like whatever it is, you're getting the ghost pepper fries.
Facts.
And special credit to them today. The regular fries were really, really fresh and well done. They did a good job with this. Salted well, nice crisp. Yeah.
That is probably okay. Like I've said this all the time. Like the last time I've had McDonald's, like a full McDonald's meal, is since Adam was like 3. So
this
it's
was long
been
enough
like
ago that we
10 or 11
weren't
years.
even dating yet.
Yeah, exactly. So I do miss McDonald's fries, But Wendy's does a good fry. Burger King, I used to love their fries. Even that Burger King, I've had like their chicken fries throughout the years. But McDonald's, I kind of stay away from. What is your favorite fast food? And if there's a fast food that you love, tell us what we need to be checking out in the comments below, because we definitely want to hit up some places. And if it's a seasonal item, tell us, because I want to try it out.
Also, where's your guilty pleasure? Somewhere that you won't admit that you go, but you go. And why is it Taco Bell?
What? Yo, can I tell you something? His nose is running, and he's gonna try to fight like, oh no, it's not that
denial of anything. I just didn't feel like it was
spiky.
No,
and your
like,
nose are running.
I can't help how those things my body is going to react to. But I'm not like, oh my god, oh my mouth is burning.
How does my father react to heat? You know? Yo, my father loves pepper, and he be sitting there sweating. Just sweat. Mind you, my father's like, he shaves his head, he's bald, right? You just have to bring him a towel so he'll wipe, and he'll still be eating it. I'm like, why?
The Frosty will rescue you if you are a pepper
scaredy cat.
sissy.
Scaredy cat.
I tried to find a better word than pepper, but if you're a little wimpy when it comes to pepper, get a Frosty. Preferably if you could get your hands on a strawberry one, and it will bail you out.
Yeah, I hope she knows this dude.
Why?
You know, he just followed her to come to class. So this is like one of our favorite things to do. Is to people watch. Yeah, she got everything. Yeah, my mouth is hot.
What I appreciate about the ghost pepper though is I'm trying to figure out what the other things elements is it. What else you said is in it? It's like a what?
There's like a garlic powder, cilantro oil. They can put that in like Mexican items. I think it's like a cilantro oil.
I'm not sure if this is gonna show up very well.
See that? Yeah.
But you can see how as it's not as hot, how it becomes like a thick sauce. One of the things you see going around everywhere right now is like Louisiana hot, and it's just like this like hot oil, right? So you're just getting pure oil.
Yeah.
And you get heat and oil. Not to say this isn't greasy, it doesn't have oil to it, but this is a sauce.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You could dip like clean wings in this. There's a balance to this. If this was a wing spot and they had that, it would be like garlic ghost pepper or something. They would tell you all the elements of what goes into it. And I think that's what makes this ghost pepper stand out from other places that we've gone and gotten ghost pepper things that is just like, oh, there's this like tangy, vinegary hot.
Exactly.
It does linger though. Ghost pepper really sit around. The dopey stay and haunt your mouth beyond the flavor.
Yeah, I have a little bit more. And it's not that I don't want to eat it, but it's hot. And the crispy onion is not spicy or anything. It's a nice crunch. The thing with the fries though, we've been blessed that we've had crispy fries. I imagine because of the wetness of the sauce, that if the fries were not fresh, it could be.
Yeah, this not going to travel or sit down long. Well, because it's a sauced fry, you know what I mean? Like, if you think about it like how you think about loaded fries, if you get a loaded fry, you can't think you're going to order that now and get that and eat it a couple hours from now. You're going to have to try to put it in an air fryer or toaster oven or something.
You want to buy me an air fryer?
Try it out a little bit. I don't understand the hype with the air fryer. Can somebody explain it to me?
It's like a cool toaster oven.
So what's the difference between that and a conventional oven?
You don't have to put oil on it or whatever. It's kind of similar to that. It has like the fan and stuff circulating.
Can I tell you the impression I get every time I see an air fryer and I see somebody put an air fryer? It looks like they're putting food into a coffee maker. Yes. Like loading it into a coffee maker. It does. And then they just cook it in like a conventional oven.
It does look like that. Alright guys, thanks for joining. We are going to be heading home.
Look out for more ratings. Until the next time the camera is on.
Until the next time the camera is on.
We're off.